In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post home for sale on Facebook Marketplace. By the end, you'll have a clear, polished listing that attracts serious interest and reduces back and forth. Start by opening Facebook and heading to Marketplace from the main menu. On desktop or mobile, look for the Create New Listing button. This is your entry point to Facebook's built-in tools for housing. When the listing types appear, choose Property for Rent rather than Item for Sale. This category unlocks housing-specific fields that help shoppers filter by the details they care about, which means your post will show up in the right searches. Now fill in the property details carefully. Select the property type, like house, apartment, or condo. Add the monthly rent, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and the floor area if you have it. Indicate whether there's parking and whether the place is furnished. The more complete and accurate you are here, the more qualified your inquiries will be. Use consistent measurements and double check for typos so your listing looks professional. Next, upload high quality photos. Photos do the heavy lifting on Marketplace, so aim for bright, well-composed images. Include the exterior front view, the living area, each bedroom, the kitchen, the bathroom, and any parking space. Shoot in good natural light, clear away clutter, and keep doors open so rooms feel spacious. If possible, maintain the same orientation across photos for a cleaner gallery. Write a strong description that answers common questions up front. Mention the location, such as the city and neighborhood, and highlight nearby landmarks like schools, markets, or transit. State the rental price and basic terms, note the deposit and advance, and outline rules like pet policies or maximum occupants. Include your preferred contact method on Messenger so people know how to reach you. For example, 2-bedroom house for rent in Batangas. Near schools and market. P8,000 month, 1 month advance, plus 1 month deposit. Message for viewing schedule. Set the right price by checking similar listings in your area, staying competitive, and noting if your rate is negotiable. Then set an accurate location pin and add recognizable landmarks to improve visibility in local searches. When everything looks good, click Post. To boost reach, share your listing to local housing groups, renew it regularly so it stays fresh, and respond quickly to messages. When inquiries come in, politely pre-qualify by asking how many occupants there will be, the budget, and the target move-in date. These details help you focus on serious prospects and streamline viewings. And that's it. With clear details, great photos, and prompt communication, your marketplace listing will stand out and get results.